What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today I want to discuss what travel hacking is and some common misconceptions about it. But first, subscribe to the channel for more content. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and smash that like button. So what is travel hacking? Well, quite simply, it's leveraging your airline miles or your hotel points to earn free or almost free travel. Sounds simple enough, right? Travel hacking is what has allowed my wife and I to travel to many places around the world and to travel more frequently. But it doesn't have to be traveling to exotic places such as Bora Bora or the Maldives. It could be short domestic trips such as going back home to visit your parents or some friends. Or maybe you have that vacation spot that you like to go to year in and year out. You can use travel hacking any way you'd like to get to those places for cheap. There is no right or wrong way to do it. Whatever works for you is the right way. The way it works is this. Airlines will offer award level seats that cost X amount of miles plus fees for a one-way flight. Same thing with hotels. They'll offer award nights for X amount of points. And if you have enough points or miles, then you can redeem them for an award seat on a flight or an award night at a hotel. Simple enough. So how do you start earning airline miles or hotel points? First off, you have to sign up for those free airline mile or hotel loyalty programs. These accounts are absolutely free, so there's no harm for signing up for one. So you have to sign up, get your account number. Once you get your account number, then you apply your account number to any paid flight or any paid hotel, depending on what kind of program you're using. Let's say you signed up for your free American Airlines account. Once you have your American Airlines account number, you apply that account number to every American Airlines paid flight in which you're flying on, and that's how you start earning airline miles for your paid flights. Same thing with hotels. As an example, let's say you signed up for a free Marriott loyalty account number. You then apply that account number to all of your paid Marriott stays, and you start accumulating points that way. My favorite airline loyalty program is ANA. It's a Japanese airline. I use it to fly Star Alliance to either Europe or to South America in business class. It charges very little miles and is a transfer partner of American Express. For hotels, I like Hilton. I like because of their large global presence. You won't have a hard time trying to find a Hilton property at the place you're going to. Their points program is very easy to use, and it's very easy to accumulate Hilton points. Plus, it's also very easy to gain elite status with Hilton, which provides you with a lot of perks such as free breakfast, happy hour, things of that sort. For those already involved with travel hacking, what's your favorite airline or hotel loyalty program? Make sure to comment down below. Another way to earn airline miles or hotel points is through shopping portals. Now, what's a shopping portal? It's basically a website that lists participating stores in which you can earn those airline miles or hotel points that you're looking for just by clicking on their link. It's kind of like Ebates, but for airline miles or hotel points. Pretty much every major airline has a shopping portal, and as far as hotels, Marriott, Hilton, and Choice Hotels have shopping portals. So let's say, for example, you're wanting to earn more United Airline miles. All you have to do is go through the United Airlines shopping portal, look for the store that you're wanting to shop through, click on their link, and shop through there. It's that easy. If I do any shopping online, I usually go through Cashback Monitor. This is a website that shows many different shopping portals available, and it shows me the payouts for each shopping portal for a particular store. That way I could weigh out which shopping portal benefits me more. If you currently use shopping portals, which one is your favorite? Comment down below. Another way to earn airline miles and hotel points is through credit card churning. Whoa, you might be thinking, Aren't credit cards bad for you? Credit cards aren't bad. It's the way that people abuse them that gets them into financial trouble. Many people spend way more than what they're supposed to on their credit cards, fall into debt, then charge high interest rates to pay back all of that debt. However, if you treat your credit card like your debit card, stick to your budget, and pay off your credit card in full every month, you won't spend a dime in interest, but you reap all the rewards that your credit card offers. Many popular credit cards offer sign-up bonuses after spending X amount of money within a certain period of time. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is currently offering a 60,000 point bonus after you spend $4,000 within 90 days. Banks use this strategy in hopes of trying to get people to overspend, fall into debt in order to try to reach that sign-up bonus. However, we're smarter than that. By spending within your means and sticking to your budget, you can easily meet the minimum spending requirement to earn that bonus and not fall into debt. In a later video, we'll discuss practical ways for you to reach that minimum spending requirement for the sign-up bonus without getting into any financial trouble. Another nice thing that these credit cards offer are category bonuses. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card that we just spoke about, they offer 2 points per dollar for travel and dining and 1 point per dollar for everything else. Other popular credit cards offer category bonuses for groceries, gas, advertising, office supplies, and many other things. Pretty much every major spending category is covered by credit cards. So picking the right card for you that matches your spending habits shouldn't be too difficult. I have 2 cards that I really like and use most often. The first one is the American Express Everyday Preferred Credit Card. It allows me to earn up to 4.5 points per dollar on groceries, up to 3 points per dollar on gas, and up to 1.5 points per dollar on everything else. The second card that I like is the American Express Gold Card. It allows me to earn 4 points per dollar on groceries and 4 points per dollar on dining. The points that I earn from these cards are called membership reward points and are extremely valuable to me. What are your favorite credit cards? Make sure to let us know down below. So in conclusion, if you've been putting off that dream trip to Hawaii because it's just too expensive, you should really consider hacking your trip to Hawaii. By leveraging your airline miles or hotel points to eliminate the cost of airfare and hotels, all you have to save up for then is food, tours, and souvenirs. That's it for me, guys. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below.